NOVA stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this very short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Just looking and observing Sunnova Energy, I mean, I would like to say I'm the most bullish guy here, but it's really not the case. I know it's 20% up, so that's very solid. But this is the range. This is the current range. Still a bearish range, you know. For me to be bullish, I mean, it must break with a full candle, at least candle close, at least be above 67 cents or something, because this is still what's holding the price down. And I'm not gonna leave another day with trying to be bullish here at the bottom, man. Like, I'm gonna stick to my edge that I've tested for literally 39,000 videos. So using common factors analysis and the scientific method, you know, to come out with exactly what's working for me. I've collected like most data. Show me another person with this much data collected. I bet you won't. That's effort. You cannot fake that. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free sauce.